Welcome back to the Mom Edit. It's your girl Kat here, and today we are talking about what my favorite shoe trends are I am taking into 2024. If you know me well, you know that I am probably the bougiest of all of the Mom Edit babes here on the team, and I am really excited about what is in this box because I had a little bit of a snafu while I was in Thailand. I ended up getting tendonitis in my foot, and that has totally changed the game of shoe wear for me. So now I am the girl who is on the hunt for cute AF shoes that are also orthopedic and aren't going to make my feet hurt. So that's these. Dun, da, da, dum. It's Crocs. These in particular are a bougier version of Crocs. This is the Crocs X Balenciaga collaboration, and I absolutely love these. I do need to return these for a size smaller. These are a size 40. I typically am a size 9, but from the reviews that I had read online, it said to size up. That's not true. Definitely keep your normal size with these. So the trend that I'm going to be wearing into 2024, it's Crocs. It's the bougie Crocs though. Crocs has done a ton of different collaborations with Balenciaga, with MCM, with other major brands, and they are so epically amazing and cool. They're different than the traditional Crocs. So Crocs have had a moment. They have an absolute cult following right now. And I just think they're so freaking cool, so comfortable. And if you are a girl who is also looking for all the cool girl vibes, but wants to keep it ortho, these are for you. So needless to say, you'll be catching me in my Crocs all 2024. A little bit about this mule in particular. This is the Western Mule from Ganni. These are a pretty penny. I think they're like $400 or $500, so they're definitely going to be more of an investment piece, but the quality is 10 out of 10. The stitching on these, the fact that it's genuine leather, the bottom and the soles are just perfection. These are iconic in the world of Ganni, and I absolutely think they are worth the cost and they're worth the price. I definitely think these are going to be something that is going to get a lot of wear and use for me. And I believe these run true to size. This is a size 39, which is what I typically wear in European style sizing. Up next, I think we have what might questionably be the biggest trend of 2024. And that, my friends, is Ballet Flats. These ones that I have are probably the most iconic because I love to do iconic things. And these are from Mules. Look at how cute these Ballet Flats are! They're a satin material. They're just like very basic, but they're so incredibly fun to wear. And they remind me of all of like the nostalgia of the early 2000s. I was the girl who was watching Save the Last Dance and Center Stage on repeat all the time. Like that was my ish. The fact that the ballet flat with the actual little ballet strap has come back and is the issue for designer wear is just so exciting to me. I love it so much. So Mules Ballet Flat is made of satin. This whole material right here, this in this pretty sky blue color, is just very silky soft. This shoe doesn't have a ton of traction or anything in the bottom or on the bottom of the shoe. However, you're really purchasing this more so for the iconicness of the shoe. If you're a person who's not looking to spend a ton of money on a ballet flat, there are tons of other dupes. Target has great options. I know one of my personal favorites is actually from Torrid. They're so incredibly comfortable, but I had to get the iconic ones in addition to a second pair as well. So these are an absolute must for me in the upcoming year. Last but not least, the shoe trend that I am 100% going to be rocking into 2024 are anything that are silver shoes, chrome shoes, any type of chrome silvery moment. It's going to be here in this upcoming year as well. I think it's going to be on trend. It's going to be something that people are still wearing and rocking. I think especially because when you think about jewelry and the rose gold and gold trend, it was around for so long. We've only had about a full year of all of the silver metallic-y things, and I think it's going to be here for another year or two. So get yourself a good pair of silver chrome heels or pointed toe flats, whatever your vibe is. They're gonna be here. This exact shoe that I own in this silver chrome trend is actually from Aerosols. It's got a super low heel, which I love. I think this is about 2.5 inches or 2 inches, and it's got great traction on the bottom. I love these. They're comfortable. They're great for all day wear. I have worn them to concerts. I have worn them to dance around and go out for the night, and I love them. They've also held up pretty well for how much use they have gotten from me. All right, you all, I'm really excited for 2024. I think it's gonna be the year of change. It's gonna be the year of wearing whatever the hell you want, things that make you feel confident and that are comfortable and that just are your every single day vibe. Like, I'm so excited for this upcoming year and I cannot wait to continue to wear some of these shoes that are just so good. Thanks for watching. Everything will be linked in the description for you all. And as always, we will see you soon. Bye.